I can be myself and still reach others for Christ. God isn't calling me to give up who I am. That's why I wore this. I typically wear this. As people sometimes see me without my hat, and they're like, I didn't know you didn't have hair. Because I always wear my hat. But he didn't give up who he was culturally to reach this woman. She knew by how he spoke and what he looked like. When I first became a Christian, I honestly thought that I had to change what I dressed like, what I listened to. Oh, okay. So what should I wear to church? Okay. Khaki pants. Okay. Polo shirt. Okay. And what should I, Word FM? Should I listen to Word FM on my way here? Okay. But I thought I was in this box, and I actually changed like my appearance. I said, okay, well this is the uniform, right? Oh, being a young Christian. And then I realized that I wasn't comfortable in any of that stuff. It wasn't me. This is me. This is who I am. But I love the Lord. So this doesn't say anything about my relationship with God. It's just what I prefer. But I think it's interesting that God doesn't call us to give up who we are culturally. I listen to a certain kind of music, and that's okay. You may listen to a different kind of music than me, and that's okay. But God isn't calling us to be the same. He's calling us to be one, right?